So do you also use Google Ads to get more leads for your business? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to learn how to send Google Ads leads to Go High Level CRM in minutes. Yes, we are going to create a connection between Google Ads and Go High Level in such a way that whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details will be added in my Go High Level CRM, that too without any manual intervention. So to do this, we're going to create a connection between Go High Level and Google Ads. And to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation software. So if you also want to create this amazing connection or this amazing automation for your own business, then watch this video till the end and follow me through the screen. So let's create this automation. So to create this automation, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL, and in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads and select Google Ads. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads account. After you open this account, you have to make sure that you add lead form in your campaign. So to add this lead form, go on this lead form and click on this add new lead form, and over here you can select the details which you wish to collect from your lead. And after doing this, you have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So go on this. For the webhook URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is sync test data sent. So open your workflow, and over here Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response. Once Pabbly captures this webhook response, this will be the proof of your successful connection. So as you can see that we have successfully captured this webhook response. This means that we have successfully created a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. So as you can see that we have captured the test email address, first name, last name, phone number and the company name. Now what we're going to do is, now I'm going to add these details in my Go High Level. Alright, so if you wish, you can definitely click on this recapture webhook response and create this automation with your live lead details. Once you click on this recapture webhook response and you receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details of that lead will be captured right over here as the webhook response once again. But for that, you have to wait till you receive a new live lead, and you have to make sure that your campaign is in live mode. But what you can do is you can also create this automation with the test details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. So let's create this automation with the test details only. For that, we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for lead connector. So let's search for lead connector and select lead connector v2. For the event, we have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Go High Level and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with lead connector v2. Once we click on this connect with lead connector v2, you're going to see that a window something like this will appear in front of you. But you have to make sure that you log in your Go High Level account before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Go High Level account, and then only it is going to ask you for all of these permissions. Once it is going to ask you for all of these permissions, give all of these permissions by clicking on this next. Now you have to select the account name for which you want to give all of these permissions. Once you select the account name, your Go High Level account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And after creating this connection one by one, you have to enter all of these details in order to create a new contact in Go High Level. So to enter the details, we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. And as you can see that we have successfully mapped the details which are required, or the details which I had of my lead. If you wish, you can definitely map the rest of the details too if you have those of your lead. After mapping all of these details, you have to click on this save and send test request. Once you click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received this positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Go High Level. So let's open our contact list and refresh this contact list in order to check for the new contact created. Once I'm going to refresh this list, you're going to see that yes, a new contact has been created using the same details which we captured, which were the test details. Alright, so let's wait for a few seconds till this list is getting refreshed and you're going to see a new contact has been created. You're going to see the same name, same phone number and the same email address. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be created in my Go High Level account too. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.